Okay, year 6, we're going to learn how to transfer from one sprite to another sprite in Kodu. So what we have here, I've got Kodu, the motorbike, and the jet. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is show you the coding on Kodu. If I go to Program, and we can see on page 1 we have keyboard arrows move like we normally do, and then we've got, if we bump the motorcycle, switch to page 2. Moving up here, if we press on the right hand button, we go to page 2. And what we've got here is when we bump the motorcycle, we now want Kodu to vanish, so we say bumped cycle vanish me. Let's go back. Now on the actual motorcycle, if I just have a look at the coding on that one, what we have on page 1 is when I bump Kodu, switch to page 2. So go to page 2, and on page 2 we've got keyboard arrow move, so we can move, and when I bump jet, switch to page 3. On page 3 I've got bump jet, vanish me, so the cycle will then vanish. We come out of that and go into the jet, go to Program, page 1, bump cycle, switch to page 2, and then page 2 we've got keyboard move forward, and we've got keyboard, if I press an A now I'm going to move up because we're a jet, we can move on a different plane, and also keyboard S to move down. So let's see if that all works. I'm going to press go to start the game, and using the arrow keys on the keyboard I'm going to go towards the cycle. I'm now in control of the cycle. Go towards the jet. I'm now in charge of the jet, and indeed I can fly around. If I press A, I get higher. If I press S, I get lower. So there we go. That's a good little code to actually transfer from one item on the map to another. Thank you. Goodbye.